Everybody, well, we're loaded up. Be leaving in about 1 hour. Got to finish up work. And this is Thursday, right around 10 o'clock, I guess, 10:30, something like that. So be leaving about 11:30 on Thursday and heading out. As you can see, we got just a little bit of snow. So maybe throwing this thing in 4-wheel drive for just a little ways until we can get on some good roads, and then I'll go from there. So take it slow and easy. Biggest concern is getting through the Lexington area. Looks like there's gonna be some ice in that area, so we're leaving early so we can try to get through it as quickly and as painlessly as possible. Hey everybody, we are 43 miles into the drive, and you can see the salt trucks are out trying to clear the roads, and the road conditions aren't the best. We're doing about 55 miles an hour right now. So if you want to pan over to the count of the road, you can see what we're up against. So we are just a couple miles from getting into Ohio. Hey guys, we're in Dayton, Ohio now, and poor car is getting all iced up, all slushed up. We just had a pretty good pucker moment, so you saw in that video, maybe not the best video, but somebody almost slammed into a salt truck, that's trying to plow. So it's starting to have some freezing rain come down. We're 220 miles, I think, into the trip so far. Been driving about 3.5 hours, so I need to check the straps, make sure the car is good, and top off the gas real quick and run and use the restroom and see if we can keep plugging away. Hey guys, we have made it to Corbin, Kentucky. We are out of the sleet, the ice, the snow. It's about 36 degrees and raining. So now look at the trailer, man. It is nice and clean, and the car is clean again. So now it's time for a load of fuel, another restroom break. We're gonna go into Knoxville tonight and crash with my daughter. So then we'll finish up the last 700 miles tomorrow into Bradenton. So with that said, guys, until we stop again, I'm going to check the trailer straps, make sure the tires all look good, the straps all look good, all the tires are aired up, and just a quick walk around to make sure everything's working just fine. Hey everyone, we made it to Knoxville, Tennessee, to my daughter's apartment. We're about 500 miles into the trip. It's 9:30. We're beat. I had to work this morning, and then started work at 6 a.m. Stopped working, left around, I think, 11 o'clock. And then, it's now 9:30. We're beat, tired, after dealing with the snow and the ice and all that. So we have 700 more miles to go to get to Bradenton, and we do not have a place to stay Friday night. So now tomorrow morning we got to call and see if we can find a place for Friday night. We have places for Saturday and Sunday. So we're hoping the place that we're staying Saturday and Sunday, we can also get Friday night or find something. Anyway, 700 more miles to go. I'm gonna stop at Summit Racing on the way and try to find this Bucky's that everybody brags about. There's a Bucky's, I guess, somewhere on 75. Everybody talks about how great Bucky's is. I want to stop and see Bucky's. See you guys tomorrow morning. Oh. Hey everybody, it is 6:52 in the morning. Let's try that again. Hey everybody, it's 6:52 in the morning on Friday. And so now we just walked around the trailer. All the tires are still aired up. Gave the straps an extra little tug. They're wet, soaking wet. Came a little loose, so snugged them down a little bit more. And now we are leaving Knoxville on our way to Bradenton, which should get us in about, I'm gonna guess 8:30 with stops and some food breaks and whatnot. So now we got it. The hard part, we have to find a place to stay because we're coming down a day early. Okay. Hey guys, we are about 50 miles away from Calhoun, Georgia. And there is a Bucky's there. Everybody talks about how great Bucky's is supposed to be. We are gonna stop at Bucky's. We are 578 miles into the trip. So we're gonna swing by there. We gotta get fuel anyway. So hopefully they'll have something hot to eat for breakfast. And so we're gonna check this place out. So we'll walk inside in Bucky's when we get there. We'll just film it as we're pulling in. Check this place out. Look at all the freaking fuel pumps this thing has. It's like a super center of gas stations. You look at the size of this thing. This is like a freaking grocery store inside. Look how big this damn thing is. By the way, this is in Calhoun, Georgia. Look at all the freaking pumps. I mean, this is like 2 layers of pumps. Holy freaking cow. And there's little Bucky. Check this out, guys. I got tons of jerky. The old truck with beaver nuggets, all kinds of, look at the grill area, stuffed chicken, snacks, sausage, jerky, wraps, all kinds of stuff. Check out the candy area, fresh fruit, you know, down there's all kinds of drinks. Man, this puts our local little gas stations to shame. Check this out, guys. Brisket tacos, brisket egg breakfast sandwiches, burritos. I'm in heaven. Hey guys, we're at Love's Truck Stop. We're 253 miles away from Bradenton. It is 60 degrees out. Finally some warm weather. So just check the trailer and the truck and everything looks good. The hubs are nice and cool on the trailer. Everything looks great. So we are gonna cruise this last 253 miles in. We're gonna grab a small bite to eat and hit the road again. Well, this is not how we expected to arrive in Florida. Right after we went past the Welcome to Florida sign, it started to rain. sure what time it is.
It's 8 something. It's 8:30. Haha, 8:31.
Hey guys, it is 8:31 and we just made it to Bradenton. So we are at our sleeping spot at the campground that we're crashing at for the next couple nights. So with that said, guys, good night and see you all in the next upload.